This is the very first video of our series. I will trying to bring a series of codes where you can start with the competitive programming. Here I will show you various coding problems from very basics to intermediate. So from our series you can understand how the world of competitive programming is. So this is 30 days coding challenge of HackerRank from day 0 to till day 29. So today I am going to start the first video of day 0, which is simple hello world program. So this is the question in this such type of competitive programming. Here you are given with the problem definition, input format, output format, and the sample test cases. You have to first understand the problem definition, then try to solve in a pen or paper, and then try to figure out the sample input and output test cases, and then starts your programming. Here you can see this that sample input is given, welcome to 30 days of code, and our output should be hello world, welcome to 30 days of code, into a new line, means two different lines. So in the right side you can see our editor. So hello world is already given. I have to take the input and print that into a new line. So what we simply do is, here you can see that scanner class variable is already taken. Okay, so now what we do is, here you can see that input is already taken, that string input string scan next line. We simply what to do is just print that variable. That's it, as simple as that. And put string. Let's run the code. And you can see that test case 0 is passed. Then submit the code to check our solution for more number of test cases. You can see that it is passed, so our solution is accepted. Thank you.